On this episode of Drakenhoff in the garage, we are removing the Akropovic and inserting the DB killer. Perfect. DB killer is now inserted. Now we'll just have to get this on there. So, change of plans. I need some copper paste to get the exhaust attached again. So right now we're doing straight pipe. Interesting enough, it is super freaking duper loud. I mean, just listen to this. Oh my god. So let's go get some copper paste in straight pipe fashion. Alright, so straight pipe fashion. It's actually not that loud that I would anticipate, but it has this like raspy BMW M3 sound. We're going straight for the shop where the copper paste is, and then back home, and then we are going to attach the freaking exhaust again with the DB killer. Why would I want to attach the DB killer again? Well, I mean, the exhaust, it's not crazy loud, but it is loud, right? So when I'm riding in the city and stuff like that, I feel like it is way too loud. And also when I'm on the track, I'm not allowed to have the DB killer not inserted. So I thought I would ride a bit with the DB killer inserted again. I don't know, maybe it's too quiet. It's been a while since I've had the DB killer in. So I mean, that is basically the reason. I'm getting embarrassed over how loud my bike is. That I don't want to be the biker that I am right now, the one that has the obnoxiously loud exhaust. This doesn't even sound nice. What is this? Oh, that is loud, my ears hurt. But just cruising it is actually fine. Oh my goodness. I mean, it's too much. It is too much though. Definitely too much. Sounds like motorbike the world's Hayabusa when it's got it straight piped. I feel everybody's looking at me, not in a good way. God, it sounds awful. I don't like it. Oh, good old Biltema. Let's see what you got.
A few moments later.
Whee! Let's go be loud. They didn't have the copper paste. Oh my god. Right, so they didn't have copper paste where I originally wanted it, or where I was gonna go get it from. So that means that we'll have to go to another shop. So I mean, this is a cozy motovlog. Straight pipe, oh goodness. Straight pipe. Making a lot of sound. You lost the glove. Oh, well that sucks. And I'm almost coming up on my 20,000 kilometers mark. This bike has done and treated me well. Don't try to kill me, thank you, Mr. Bus Driver. Let's try to rev the bike in this tunnel. Haven't really done that. Oh my lord. Oh, I'm never doing this ever again. Wow. Oh, I'm gonna have tinnitus after this. For sure. It's just like this, I don't know what to call it, it's like this hollow sound right now. Wow, that didn't work. Why did you do that, Mr. Prius? I mean, the low end torque is just completely gone, and the engine braking is also not the greatest at the moment. I don't know if that has something to do with the exhaust, or if it's just me thinking that it is different. Not too sure about that, to be honest. Yeah, no, low end is not there. And it's quiet again. Finally.
A few.
Alright, we got the copper paste, finally. Now we're up for a painfully loud ride home. Oh Jesus, on your phone? Oh, 790. My God, oh, it's so loud! Alright, I'll see you back at the garage.
We've had our fun with the straight pipe, but now it is time to put the Acropovic back on with the DB killer. So let's do just that. It is basically the same process as taking it off, but just reverse it. And that is how easy and fun it can be to change or insert the DB killer.